Bosco, you're the CEO and co-founder. The stage is yours.
Thank you. What an interesting afternoon. So we all know the numbers. 30% of global GHG emissions comes from the food industry. And in MoA, we have realized that over 70% of carbon footprint of food producers comes from the ingredients that they are using. So that's why in MoA we wanted to build a global and a disruptive solution. We are a B2B sustainable ingredient platform where we combine biotechnology and artificial intelligence to transform waste and byproducts from the agri-food industry into high-value ingredients. And this is our platform. First of all, we start with our databases. We have a library of over 300 microbes and a database of byproducts of over 30 different byproducts that we can find all over the world. Albatros is our AI platform, which is based in the metabolic models of our microbes. And thanks to this, we are able to transform low-cost raw materials. These raw materials that we are using are around 100 euros per ton, and we are transforming them into high-value ingredients with around 15 to 10 euros per kilogram with over 85 conversion rate. And this number is very important for us because this is the number that we have already reached with all the processes that we have developed until the moment. And these ingredients have a high value in the market because are improving the final applications, for example, different meat analogs, even meat products, dairy analogs. We are improving fiber, protein content, we are improving digestibility, amino acid profiles, even the structure in some applications like high moisture extrusion or TVP, and reducing flavorings, salt, soy maskers or pea maskers and additives. And all the ingredients that we are developing until the moment and the byproducts that we are using are not novel food in Europe and are okay to use in the United States market. And as I was mentioning, all those applications or even pet food have been done with our fermented proteins. We are doing all this thanks to our great team. We are 3 founders. We are based in Spain, between Pamplona in the north and Madrid. We have experts in artificial intelligence, the fermentation side, and food applications. And this is our business model. So we are taking those byproducts from the food industry and transforming them into high-value ingredients that we are launching to the market. We are going to be in the market after the summer, and before the summer we are going to have our first ingredients in one of the restaurants in San Sebastián. So if you're around, happy to, you're more than invited. So this is our business model, to sell those ingredients. But now that we are talking about our platform, there's a lot of interest from the food industry by partnering our platform and develop new ingredients or new processes solving problems. Currently, we have 4 big collaborations with big corporates, like, for example, with Barilla in Italy. We are transforming their byproducts into high-value ingredients, and we have over 26 potential projects there also. And this is our roadmap. We were born in 2021. We have already scaled our first ingredient into a bioreactor of over 70,000 liters scale. And we, as I was mentioning, we are launching this year our first ingredients. And here we are looking for clients, companies that want to use our fermented ingredients, but also partners who want to co-develop with us different solutions to valorize byproducts, and always open to analyze new investment opportunities. Thank you.
Well, thank you so much, Bosco. So after the summer in where did you say?
No, before the summer is going to be in a restaurant in San Sebastián.
San Sebastián, that's the thing I was looking for. So before so I can go on summer vacations to San Sebastián.
Of course.
Deal. Who has a question for Bosco?
So you talked about your software, Albatros.
Yep.
So how did you acquire all the data needed for the software, and how long did it take you to fully develop this program?
Well, we have been building this program since 2021. The first data that we take is the genome of the microbes. So with that, we build the metabolic models, and also we validate this model with internal and external data that we can find in public libraries. But we are always, every month we have discussions between the fermentation team and the AI team adding more data into the tool. But the thing is that being able of creating this, taking the metabolic models from exactly the micros that we have, it makes it a super accurate tool. So everything that predicts albatross, it's happening in our lab. So until the moment, it's true that we don't have tons of data, but it's more than enough that what we have.
Thank you.
Great. Who's next?
There is a question.
Yeah, go ahead, Sam.
The question is, how do you make money? Is it the AI platform, the ingredients, or the side stream valorizations?
So we, as I was mentioning, we are launching our first ingredients to the market after the summer. So we are making money of selling ingredients, also with partners and distributors. But about the platform, it's like a partnership, a co-development. So there are some milestones at the beginning. So we developed also what the company is looking for in terms of functionality of the ingredient or specifications of the final ingredient, or imagine that they want to valorize a specific byproduct. So we charge some milestones, and then there's a royalty model from each kilogram that we produce.
Yeah. Great. I mean, time is always way too short for these kinds of things. So I do want to thank you very much for sharing the stage with me once again. Again, please, if you still have any questions, find them during the networking drinks. I know that you're already excited to get there, but also scan the QR code for all of the extra information. Thank you so much.